If you want thick onions and large garlic without expensive fertilizers, today I'll show you the mixture I use every single year. This homemade fertilizer not only speeds up growth, but it also contains one ingredient that repels onion flies. When I first saw the difference after just a few days, I started using it throughout the entire season. Best of all, one ingredient kept away onion flies and other pests. First, I pour about half a liter of water into a container. This water has been sitting in the sun for 3 hours, so it's warm. And now comes the first ingredient that many people throw away in the garden, even though it's excellent for plants. I add 1 teaspoon of nettle. Nettle is packed with nitrogen, iron, magnesium, and natural minerals that feed plants much more strongly than most people realize. When onions get enough nitrogen, the leaves become thick and dark green, and those leaves are exactly what help the plant build a large bulb underground. With garlic, the difference shows even faster because it immediately starts producing stronger and healthier leaves. I noticed that plants look more alive literally after just a few days of using nettle. But now comes the ingredient that makes the bulbs much firmer and larger. My grandfather used this in the garden for decades. I add 1 teaspoon of wood ash. Ash is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, and potassium plays a huge role in forming large onion and garlic bulbs. When I started using ash, my onions were no longer soft and small, but firm, healthy, and they lasted much longer after harvesting. Ash also helps the roots and strengthens the whole plant, so it handles weather changes and moisture much better. The important thing is not to overdo it because even a small amount can make a huge difference. And now comes the ingredient that most people would never add to plant fertilizer, but it saved my onions many times. I add 1 teaspoon of hot ground red pepper. I don't use it for nutrients, but for protection. The strong smell and heat of red pepper repel the onion fly, which often destroys entire rows of onions before people even realize what's happening. Ever since I started using this, I rarely find yellow and damaged plants anymore. The pepper creates a smell that bothers the flies, so they stay away from the plants. Leave the mixture overnight and then strain it. Dilute it with 1 more liter of water. When everything is ready, I lightly water the onions and garlic around the roots with this mixture. You don't need much, just a little around each plant. I use this every 10 days or so, and the difference in growth is truly huge. Write in the comments if you're going to try this. Greetings and cheers.